news been swirling around, Jamaica Football Federation, led by President Michael Ricketts, has formally put in a bid for the joint hosting of the 2031 FIFA Women's World Cup with the United States, Mexico, and Costa Rica. Of course, the confirmation of our status as joint hosts is contingent on upgrading one or more of our football facilities to a minimum standard. So with the National Stadium and indeed the Montego Bay Complex balling out for maintenance and repairs for years, if it takes us bidding to host the World Cup for upgrades to be done, then make we bid to host World Cup every 5 years. And obviously, there is no guarantee that our aspect of the bid will be accepted. FIFA always has a plan B. If we don't upgrade and improve our stadium facilities within the next few years, another country will take our place. So, heads of government and the Minister of Sport, the bouncing ball is in your court.